Right, in this video clip I'm going to show you how to start adding some content to your Moodle page and to make things start looking a little bit more attractive. The first thing you need to do, as usual, is turn editing on. Once you've done that, we're going to add some content to the very top block. So I'm going to click on the little hand up here. And there we go. And I've just placed my cursor into the block by clicking on it. And to kick things off, I am going to add an image. And as usual, I have to add in alternate text for the screen readers. Oh, I don't know if they're fighting. Actually, let's just put two elephants touching trunks. Click OK. Right. So if I leave it like that, the picture is going to appear on the left-hand side of my screen, which is fine if that's what you want. I think what I would like to do is put the picture in the middle. So all I do is click on the picture and justify it in the center. I also notice that I haven't put a border around the picture, so I do that again a little bit more slowly. I've clicked on the picture, so you can see that because the anchor points have appeared. And I click on the Insert Image button again, and I'm going to change the border thickness to 1. Here you go. Now there's a border around it. And I'm going to put in my text underneath. Now, as you know, everything I do in the School of Nursing, I use Trebuchet heading 4. And let's see. And it's a little bit small for comfort, and that is because the font size required for screen reading is slightly larger than that required for hard copy reading. So I'm going to change the second line to heading 4. You see there it just jumped slightly and leave the first line as it is, and you can see it's a much easier font to read. Generally I use Trebuchet heading 4 12 point for body copy and 14 point for headings. Now we're going to start adding actual file information. Again, there are two basic ways of doing that. You click on Add a Resource on the drop-down window, and you scroll down to either compose a web page or link to a file or website. If you're starting from scratch, the easiest way is to compose a web page. This allows you to create a page in Moodle pretty much as you would in Microsoft Word. If you have already created documents and things in Word or in some other program, then you're going to select link to a file or website. Since a lot of what we do is still in PowerPoint, I'll start off by showing you this one. You click on link to a file or website. And if I click here on choose or upload a file, this opens. This is the default Moodle storage area for my course sandpit. And the file I want is on my flash, so I have to click upload a file again. And I'm going to browse to my flash stick, my computer, removable disk, 341. And I'm going to upload the SP341 workbook for 2010. So I click on it, I click open. And there it is. I click on upload this file. Remember that your maximum file size is 50 megs. So there we've got the workbook uploaded. Now the easiest thing to do is simply to click on choose. You can see it's there, and I'm just going to call it course workbook. Scroll down to the bottom. We need to be consistent about whether we open in the same window or in a new window. For this kind of document, it actually doesn't matter that it will always open in a new window, but just so that we don't ever make a mistake, if we are all consistent in opening in a new window, we'll make the students a lot happier. I always click on Save and Display just to check that everything's there, and I'm going to go back to my course sandpit and show you where that file appears. And we're back at the main page, and here you can see the course workbook visible to students. If I clicked on that, it would want to open in Microsoft Word. So there we go, you've added a resource to Moodle.